One of the ways that makes me or maybe excites me is actually making my own money at home while I'm taking care of my kids or while I'm just doing my things here at home. Now, today, without even wasting any time, I want to take you a very simple, beginner friendly way of earning money through AI as a stay at home. This is something that I have tried. I tried it for 7 days. I got the results. I tried it for 1 month, and I think it's time for me to share this information with you, especially for my fellow stay at home moms. I know you're gonna enjoy this, and I want you to give this video a thumbs up if you like content such as this, especially where we are exploring different ways to make extra money as a stay at home parents. As you can see, she's here. And the best part is I can take care of this little girl while I'm making my own money here on my laptop here or on my phone. I want to show you and I want to take you through a very simple beginner friendly. This is something that even someone who has no experience in AI stuff, or maybe any person who has no any experience in terms of actually coding or even in tech, like you are not a tech guru or a tech expert, you can do it even using your phone. And the best part is you don't even need a laptop. You just have to need maybe a smartphone and good internet. So those are the two things that are gonna actually help you, and something else is your motivation, your desire, and also your discipline to try new things or maybe to try new skills. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. So guys, as you can see, this I tried this and I can show you. So these are my earnings, total sales and the total commissions. Okay, over here, this is something that I have tried, and you guys, I need you to try it as soon as possible to start making extra money as a stay-at-home mom. Okay, so what is this and how do I make these commissions, or how am I making these commissions? Website that I'm using, there are so many websites that you can actually pick, but for today's video, because I wanted to make it beginner friendly and I wanted to actually give you result that I have tried, something that I have personally tried, and I know that it can also work for you. So I'm talking about Dzine AI. If you don't know Dzine AI, or if you have never heard about it, Dzine AI is actually an AI powered website that you can create a lot of stuff. It actually helps a lot of people to make money in various ways, because Dzine AI is just that website that you don't want to miss. Because let me tell you, it's not just about making money anyhowly. There's so many things you can create here. So the first step is for you to sign up using I'm gonna leave the link down. You can, if you don't want to use the link, you can still go to Google and browser and actually look for Dzine AI. Okay, now once you have creating an account or logging in is very simple. It doesn't require a lot. Once you are on their dashboard, as you can see, this is the dashboard. Let's sign in, or maybe once you are on Google, if you scroll down on their website, it's very simple. You can actually create, you can go down here where it says affiliate. Let's look for affiliate marketing. Let's look for it. You can look here. Okay, this, the one that says affiliate program. This is one of the beginner friendly. Like I tell you guys, it is so simple to actually be an affiliate and promote it. Okay, so you click on affiliate program. Once you click on the affiliate program, it's going to bring to you this dashboard, Dzine affiliate program. And then they are saying partner with Dzine to turn creative ideas into passive visuals using AI. Earn commissions for new referrals with your exclusive affiliate link. Okay, and then here, apply to become an affiliate. It doesn't take a long time. You click here where it says apply now. Okay, we're gonna click there, and then once you click there, it will bring you to this dashboard. You're gonna fill in your name, you're gonna fill in your email, you're gonna fill in what are your main promotional channels. You can choose personal website if you have, or a blog, or social media, let's say like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, for me, I clicked here. social media, and then you can put your URL for promoting. You're gonna click on your website link here, and then upload a screenshot of your YouTube, Instagram, X, Facebook profile if you have. It is better if you can create a YouTube channel or maybe an Instagram channel or maybe a Facebook profile page, and then you're gonna use that one. Okay, add here just a screenshot, you don't need a lot, so that they can actually identify you. And then they're gonna ask you, how do you plan to promote Dzine AI? You just give an answer, like I'm gonna be promoting on my website or on my channel, stuff like that. Do you agree to comply with our affiliate? And then you're gonna say yes, and then you submit. Once you are done, they're gonna get back to you through the email that you have used, and that is it. You are an affiliate. Okay, it is as simple as that, guys, and start promoting. The way you're going to be promoting this, there are so many various ways you can do this. Number one, you can create content depending on what you are talking about. Maybe you are talking about, let's say you want to promote it, design maybe tools, for instance. Let me go here and log in and show you. Like I said, the best thing is that you can use even your mobile phone. You don't need a laptop. Now we are inside the dashboard of Dzine AI, and as you can see, guys, they have a lot of things to offer when it comes to designing. Okay, there are a lot. You can create a simple image, or maybe you can create simple projects. For instance, if you want something, maybe a coloring book, or maybe you can create faceless channels. Like I said, you're gonna click here if you want to start, maybe try their styles, or maybe try their stuff. Okay, and then let's say we want to create something. For instance, if you have a website and then you are promoting maybe AI tools, or maybe depending on what you are promoting, maybe you are talking about your hair or maybe your fashion, and you don't want to reveal yourself, you can use AI stuff that are inside here, Dzine AI. For instance, text to image here, this feature. You create, maybe let's say you are a beautiful black woman who has beautiful hair. Let's just write it, beautiful African lady with long beautiful hair, maybe for your website. When you click here, you can actually choose the styles that you want. There are so many there are so many realistic styles that have been added here. Let's say we choose this one, realistic, or maybe we have even flags, but today let's just be here and choose this one and see what it's gonna create. Okay, and then you click here. This is just one way to actually generate money, or maybe to generate content, and through this content you can add in your link if it is on your website, and then when people use that link to sign up using Dzine AI, you create, or maybe you earn a commission. Okay, let's wait as it creates. You can see here, this is the first one that she looks real. Then click generate, as you can see here, and then let's wait. Let's give it a minute, and that's it. If you have enjoyed this video up to there, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think. Which part do you want me to explore more, and which AI tools will you want me to talk about, or how many of you are using this stuff or this method to actually earn your own money at home? As you can see, these are some of the AIs, or maybe AI generated designs that you can create using the website Dzine AI. Now these are good for your website. These are good for print on demand stuff like t-shirts, stickers, printables and stuff like that, and that's how you make actually money through their designs. And like I said, all of these things I've tried and I know they are working, and today I wanted to focus on affiliate marketing, or maybe their affiliate program, because it is more beginner friendly. Okay, as an affiliate marketer, or maybe as a person who's gonna be promoting Dzine AI, you don't need a lot. Just you sign up and then once you sign up on their program, if you have been accepted, you have your own personal link that you're going to be inserting maybe on your website. For instance, if you're going to use a picture of this girl, a beautiful African girl with long hair, maybe you are talking about your hair, or maybe you are talking about stuff to do with hair or products to do with hair, or you want to promote something to do with skincare or stuff like that, and then you use this design or this image, you can insert on your website that this image has been created using AI in Dzine AI, and then you add your link to that text that you are using. Okay, now another way is actually for you to sell customized AI generated art through print on demand stuff. For instance, we can turn this girl into another style. We can use another style. For instance, instead of using flags, they are the best thing about this, why I love this, it is because they have a lot of styles. For instance, if I want to put maybe on a t-shirt, I could look for a design, or maybe I could look for a style that's gonna do well on t-shirts. Okay, let me click. There are so many here. I'm gonna click on that one and then generate. Let's see if it can create something cartoonish, something good for a t-shirt or for a mug or something. And then you do what you sell on your website, or maybe you sell on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon, or Jumia, or whatever you are using, or maybe on your Facebook, your TikTok, depending on what you are using. Okay. So you can see, like the prompt we gave, beautiful African lady with long beautiful hair, and I want you to see the design that they have been created. I think this is something to do with summer or stuff like that. And mark you guys, there are so many people who love this kind of stuff, and you can create a lot of things using this. Maybe you are promoting stuff with to do with the swimwear or bikini or stuff like that. Download. Once you download, remove the background, send it to Canva, and once you send to Canva, you actually do what? You make your design and use a print on demand marketplace, maybe like let's say Printful or Printify, and then you make your design. Maybe you add a little quote, and then when someone buys your item, maybe if it is a t-shirt or a mug or a hoodie or a book or stuff, that's how you make extra money. If you want me to dive into this, especially when it comes to print on demand, because I know I have done this several times, it's still my one way of generating extra income as a stay-at-home mom. Let me know, guys, and I'll be so willing to actually dive in. So those are just a few ways to make money, but today I was focusing on their affiliate program, and I'm super glad that I shared this because I know it's gonna help one person or another. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys, I'll see you. Click that button for like and subscribe for more AI stuff, and also for more ways to earn money or new skills to earn your own money staying at home or whatever you are all doing. The freedom is here, and we're gonna grab it as soon as possible. I'll see you next in my next videos. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hey, bye bye. She wants to say bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye.